Let's look at the top 10 psychology theories you must know. Psychology students, this one's for you. These are the 10 psychology theories you must know. If you're revising for exams or just love psychology, stick around. Let's see how many you already know. Comment your score at the end. 1. Classical conditioning. Have you ever heard of Pavlov's dogs? Classical conditioning is when we learn through association. Pavlov rang bell every time he fed his dogs. Eventually, they started salivating just at the sound of the bell, even without food. This is used to explain things like phobias and advertising tricks. Operant conditioning. Skinner. Now, what if I told you that rewards and punishments shape your behavior more than you think? That's operant conditioning. Skinner's experiments with rats showed how reinforcement strengthens behavior while punishment weakens it. Ever wondered why kids behave better when there's reward involved? That's operant conditioning in action. Social learning theory. Bandura. Now, we don't just learn through rewards. We learn by watching others. Bandura's famous Bobo doll experiment showed that kids mimic aggressive behavior when they see adults doing it. This can explain how social media, TV, and role models influence us. Cognitive dissonance. Festinger. Ever done something that goes against your beliefs and felt uneasy about it? That's cognitive dissonance. Festinger's research showed that when our thoughts and actions don't match, we try to justify them. Like when you know fast food is unhealthy, but you tell yourself just this one step. Cognitive dissonance. Attachment theory. Bowlby and Ainsworth. Why do we form strong emotional bonds? Bowlby and Ainsworth found that early childhood experiences shape our relationships for life. Secure avoidant or anxious attachment. These styles affect how we connect with others as adults. Boltier's store model of memory. Atkinson and Schifrin. How does memory work? This model suggests this: first we take in sensory information, then if we pay attention, it goes to short-term memory. Finally, if we rehearse it enough, it moves to long-term memory. But without rehearsal, it's gone. That's why revision matters. The bystander effect. Darley and Latane. Ever wondered why people don't always help in emergencies? The bystander effect shows that the more people around, the less likely someone is to help. It's not because they don't care, it's because they assume someone else will act. The Stanford Prison Experiment. Zimbardo. How does power change people? Zimbardo's infamous prison experiment showed how people conformed to roles. Volunteers playing guards became cruel, while prisoners became submissive. It revealed the dangers of authority and group dynamics. The Asch conformity experiment. Social conformity. Have you ever given the wrong answer just because everyone else did? Asch study showed that people conform to group pressure even when they know the group is wrong. Think peer pressure and social media trends. The Milgram obedience experiment. Would you obey orders even if they hurt someone? Milgram's shock experiment found that 65% of people followed authority figures to the point of hurting others. It helps explain real-world obedience from workplaces to historical events. So, how many of these did you already know? Comment your score below. Which one surprised you the most? And if you're revising, check out my other psychology videos for more exam tips. This is Psyched for Psychology. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.